The One-Year Bible Storybook by Virginia J. Muir. Today's story is How Many Men in the Fiery Furnace? It comes from Daniel chapter 3. When the three young men refused to bow to the statue, the king became even more angry. He shouted, "Heat up that furnace 7 times hotter than before. Tie these men up and throw them into the fire." The soldiers obeyed, but the fire was so hot that it burned them when they got close enough to throw the 3 men in. As King Nebuchadnezzar watched, he saw something very strange. He jumped up and he looked more closely. "Why, I thought we put only 3 men into the furnace. Now I see 4 men walking around in the flames. They don't even seem to be hurt by the fire. And the 4th man looks like a god." The king came as close to the furnace as he could and called to the men, "Shadrach, Meshach, Abednego, you servants of the Most High God, come on out of the furnace." When the men stepped out, everyone could see that they were not burned. Their hair wasn't even singed, and they didn't smell as if they had even been near smoke. King Nebuchadnezzar was so amazed that he made a new announcement to his citizens. "I bless the name of the God of these men. And I command that from now on, if anyone in this country says anything bad about that God, he shall be killed and his house pulled down in ruins." Then he promoted Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego to a higher position in the government.